Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can adjust word spacing in Microsoft Word. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Microsoft Word software on your personal computer and make sure to open the target project. In order to adjust the word spacing, click on the File tab at the top left corner and then click on the Options embed at the bottom of the list. A new pop-up window will open up. Simply navigate to the Advanced tab inside it and start scrolling down. Now, uncheck the Expand Character statement and click on the OK button to save the changes. This will adjust the word spacing in your document. You can experiment with this setting to find the optimal spacing that looks best for your text. So that's basically how you can adjust word spacing in Microsoft Word. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.